So, for today's video, magluluto ako ng eggplant curry. So, meron na akong eggplant. I cut in small pieces. So, meron akong garlic, onion, curry powder, the turmeric powder, Maggi, black lemon powder, black pepper, and then may salt. Mag-adjust na lang ako kung tama yung alat o hindi kasi medyo maalat yung Maggi ko. And then, meron akong vinegar, and then oil, and then yung chili. Mabot siyang tawag niya dyan. So, yan lang naman yung simpleng paggawa ko ng eggplant curry. So, I will start by i-fry ko muna tong eggplant. So, ginisa ko na yung bawang sibuyas sa kunting mantika or together na yung seasonings. And then, next yung eggplant na na-fry. And then, a little bit of tomato paste. And then, dinurog-durog ko yung eggplant. And then, a little bit of vinegar. And then, naglagay na ako yan ng mabuch or yung chili powder na pinakita ko kanina sa isa sa ingredients ko. Ayan, continue dinurog-durog. Ganyan lang o kadali yung paggawa ko ng eggplant curry. O, diba? Napakasimple lang. As in. And then, yan is a final outcome. Thank you for watching.